You're watching Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. In this Hola VPN review, we're diving deep into its real-world usage and performance. We'll explore its features, assess its effectiveness, and determine who would benefit most from using this popular online privacy and security tool. All the links to Hola VPN are down in the description, so check them out after we break down everything you need to know. Hola VPN distinguishes itself as a free and unique service operating on a peer-to-peer, P2P, network model, unlike traditional VPNs that rely on paid server networks. This P2P approach allows users to share their idle bandwidth, providing a cost-free way to access geo-restricted content and enhance internet connection security. However, this unconventional structure has implications. Routing your data through other users' connections, inherent in the P2P model, raises valid concerns regarding privacy and security. While Hola VPN shines as a budget-conscious solution, it's essential to acknowledge that it may not be the ideal choice for users prioritizing maximum privacy and high-level encryption. Its primary strength lies in unblocking geo-restricted content, making it a viable option for accessing streaming platforms like Netflix, Hulu, and YouTube from various locations. The user-friendly interface simplifies the experience, particularly for beginners. No complex configurations are required, it's truly a connect-and-go solution. However, if you require advanced VPN features such as dedicated IPs, split tunneling, or robust encryption protocols, Hola VPN might fall short of your expectations. This service caters perfectly to casual internet users seeking access to content from different regions without the expense of a premium VPN. If, however, privacy and top-tier security are paramount, exploring alternative, more traditional VPN services is recommended. Hola VPN presents a trade-off, cost-effectiveness versus complete online anonymity. If you're simply looking for a free and easy way to bypass content restrictions and don't mind the bandwidth sharing aspect, Hola VPN might be a suitable choice. Conversely, if privacy is your primary concern, a traditional VPN service with stronger security protocols would be a more appropriate solution. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the links in the description for more information and to access Hola VPN.